When we save an existing entry in CakePHP, we use the same save method that we utilized in the add action, but this time we eliminate the need for the create method to be called beforehand. So for example, we would type this, the model name, save, and then we would just pass in the data. No need to add that create method. When working with our data, sometimes we need to specify an ID in our model that we want to work with. In order to do that, we would set this, then our model name, pointing to the ID variable, and set it to the new ID that we would like to work with. When populating the form with content from your database, you will retrieve the item from the database and then set it to the thisRequestData variable. This will then populate the form with the correct data that you requested. When working with a form, you want to be able to display a message indicating that your data was either saved, edited, or deleted. CakePHP provides a messaging system with the session component. In order to access the session component, you'll need to add the session component to your controller. At the top of your controller, you would type in public and the variable components and set it to an array of components that you would like to use in your controller. In this case, you would type in session. In order to use the session component in your controller, you would use this pointing to session. The method that we use in order to display a message is called setFlash. The setFlash takes one parameter, and that is a string message that you would like to display. So for example, we would type this, session, and then the method setFlash. Then we would pass in the message that we want to display to the user. You'll notice the double underscore function. That again is our localization. It's a good habit to get into using. Let's go modify our controller with these new items that we've learned.